So being team toilet brush, it was so important that I had a fantastic, slim, trendy, fashionable, bright pink toilet brush in my incredible range. This toilet brush features a built-in refillable dispenser, letting you squirt any cleaning solution directly into the toilet at the touch of a button, using multiple cleaning sessions without needing to refill. It also features a viewing window so you know when it's time to top up. The brush is made from silicone, which provides added flexibility for tackling harder to reach areas. It will also last longer than traditional toilet brushes and is more hygienic, with wider bristles that don't hold water or bacteria, making it easier to clean. Okay, let's be honest, no one really likes cleaning the loo, so it was really important to me that my toilet brush was super stylish, on trend, bright and colourful, and was going to brighten up any dull, miserable bathroom space. So it was really important to me that the handle was super comfortable to hold. We don't want anybody dropping the brush when they're cleaning the loo, so the comfortable grip allows you to scrub harder and remove any of those pesky marks. Neatly secure the toilet brush in the included holder with anti-slip base. It suspends the head above any collected water at the bottom. This dries the brush much quicker and is more hygienic. So this toilet brush is going to give you so much confidence that your bathroom and your toilet is so clean. Lifting up that lid and seeing that hygienically clean sparkle is just a must. So the 9 pieces in this range have been personally selected by me. They've all got an amazing use within the home. They're all different, they're slightly unique to what is currently on the market. They're bright, they're beautiful, and we are going to make cleaning so much fun with these 9 fabulous pieces.